Why category pages are important on your e-commerce site. If you own an e-commerce business, you would know that running it successfully is not a smooth process. You tend to face numerous challenges and setbacks that impose an obstacle on the desired conversion rate of your e-commerce website. One of the essential factors that heavily affects the conversion rate is the smoothness of the customer's shopping experience. A well-designed category page can enhance the shopping experience of customers on an e-commerce website and improve conversion rates. A category page is a page that displays a group of products and helps customers navigate to the section of the site that offers the type of product they are looking for. Without a well-organized product category, customers might find it difficult to find the exact product they want, which can negatively impact conversion rates and cause traffic loss. The layout of the category page, featured banners, navigation bars, top category items, product descriptions, and category images are all essential elements that contribute to a successful product category page. A well-designed category page should be informative, relevant, and attractive to customers. It should offer easy navigation and be regularly updated to keep up with changing trends. Adding a great search function to an e-commerce site can also improve the customer experience and increase conversion rates. If your category page possesses more or less all these features, you are ready to hit the market with a reasonable conversion rate and sound revenue generation. An ideal category page should be informative and relevant to the products you offer your customers. If developed thoughtfully, they offer the best navigation to the customers. Also, ensure that you upgrade your category page according to the taste of the changing time.